Change the background color to a gradient blue. Add a heading and type in your text. Go to Canvas and change your font to Leaks pattern. Change your text to white and increase the size of your text. Move it up. Go to Effect, choose Hollow. Reduce the thickness of the effect to at least 2. Now duplicate your text to fill the Canva. Go back to text and add another heading. Now type in your text. So the idea is to spell out Monday in different text box. We're going to duplicate this text box so we can spell out Monday and just keep the different text box on different places. Change that to N, change that to D, change that to A, change that to Y. Go to your Canvas and begin to change all the text box to Leaks pattern font. Perfect. Now let's begin to resize our text box beginning with the M. Rotate. Bring the DAY below and increase the size of your N. Rotate and keep it aside. Increase the size of your O. Bring it below the M. Increase the size of your D. And do the same for your A. Move it closer to the D. Increase the size of your A. Bring it closer to your A. And let's just try to adjust all our text box so it fits properly for this design. Go to Effect and add glow to all the text box. This glow effect is basically to make your text pop more. Once you're done, go to your uploads and bring in your image. Remove the background of your image. Rotate your image and position properly. Add a subheading and type in your text. In this case, I'm typing in hello. Hello. Go to color and change it to butter yellow. Go to Effect and add a glow to this text. Duplicate your text and type in let's get the bag. So this is a social media new week post. I like to encourage your day, trying to reduce the space between the letters of this text box. Once you're done, reduce the size. Let's reduce the size. Okay. And place it on top of the Y. Perfect. Yeah, this is great. Now duplicate your image and let's crop our image to give an effect that the model's leg is coming through the D. And once you're done, here is the final result. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe, like, and share.